What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Josh. I know it's been a while, and if you don't remember, you are tuned in to Super Sport Enthusiast SSE. Alright, today, one and only, what are we talking about here? What is a big deal? Hold on, I'm gonna wait till the garbage truck is gone because it's making a lot of noise. Okay, and it's gone. So what are we doing today? The winging thing got to go, guys. We got a delivery. I'ma shut up. I'ma get you guys to it real quick so you can check it out yourself. Let's go.
Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey, and I'm thankful, even when they say I'm.
Alright, and here she is. I know you guys don't know what's in here, but we're gonna get to it really quick. I made quite a mess here, guys, but this is what I got from it so far. Alright, so let me turn my music off. Boom. Alright, so this is what I put together so far on the wing. These were the instructions here for the Zl1 1Le rear wing spoiler. Of course, I told you all the 6 parts that came with it. Told you how to do, again, the assembly on the rear wing. Putting the legs onto them exactly. And then, last but not least, putting on the side epoxy on there. So that's just some examples. Alright, and now we're going to pop this open, and we got to get the lid off the back. We're going to remove the inner lining for the trunk. Actually, I don't think so. I lied. 1, 2, 3. That looks like that. We're going to have to open it up for this one, and then for this side is right here. So too easy. And then I think we're going to release them from right here and then take them off for the inside. So the trunk lining is off. Alright, just threw them all to the side right there. As you can see, these 2 pockets have the screws for the left fin or the right support for the wing. The middle is exactly right here. And then the left side is exactly right here for this one. Alright, so let's go ahead and loosen them up. Alright, here goes nothing. You gotta probably, hold on, wiggle a little, because it probably got some 3M in there. Alright, we're gonna jam it out a little more. Guys, so this was taking forever to come out. We're starting to get some gappage there. What is helping is the heat gun to the back where the screws are. That's what's helping it come out. So that should be hot enough now. I'm gonna go ahead and tug at it and see if we get it out. All right. Oh my gosh. Pull my hair and call me a slut. Look at that. So aggressive. It is so aggressive, man. It's so beautiful. The installation, I mean, of course, for me to put it together, I didn't want to break the wing. But this came out immaculate, beautiful, abadabadicarous. And, I mean, come on. Look at that. I mean, the trunk is still open, but just look at that, man. Oh, again, like I said, I like to keep it as original as possible and as honest as possible. I did not go with the all carbon fiber wing because the all carbon fiber wing was starting about $2 grand all the way up to $4 grand for the OEM style one. But what I did, again, I went with the ABS. Some want to say ABS plastics or more of a fiberglass kind of thing. But it is smooth. It did come with a matte finish, so I will get that wrap, not painted. But it is smooth. I put a coat of wax on it. Shout out to Garage One with their speed wax. That's what I did with it. I love how it came out. It accents the body pretty well. Again, we did the taillights, if you guys remember in the video earlier this month. Third brake light, taillight is good. And now we have that. So the only thing that's next, man, we're gonna do wheels on this baby. All right, wheels is definitely coming next, and we're gonna do the canards and the front lip extension on this car, and then I am done. D-O-N-E-E-E-E-E. All right, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. We're gonna do some flybys and drive-bys, and then you guys can see what it looks like on the road. All right, let's get to it. All right, people, time for a cold start. I done popped the trunk on accident. Woo. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and go for a little drive, but look how she sits right now. Guys, look at the new wing on the baby.
Yeah. Yo, look. Yeah. So take me somewhere cool, places only we know. Gotta get my time before she calls it Tarantino. And end up in the theater on a screen in the casino in a 007 scene. I could be Toledo with my dream. I need to tell them just to show them that I'm real. Why not? Talk about his goals. And wherever it goes, I'll be ready on my toes. Yeah.
Couple revs, let's go. Again. Woo. Alright guys, well that is it. We did a quick little video. I did the install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We got some more mods coming soon. Rear end is finished. Time to start on the front end. It's your boy Josh, SSC, and I'm out.
Running these hoes like I'm made. Can't fuck with you unless I'm paid. Get the bag 1,000 ways. Niggas been running for days. Yeah, they run with no purpose in lanes. Yeah, it's my time to get paid. I've been grinding like all fucking day, dog. Shaking my real every day. Running these hoes like I'm made. Can't fuck with you unless I'm paid.